Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So for today's video, I am doing a DIY Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day centerpiece. I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up the floral stems that I wanted to put together into sort of a bouquet or something of that sort, so I could see what kind of color combinations would look good together based on the elements that I selected. I have this circular floral foam and I'm just taking the flowers off their stems and trying to figure out what sort of arrangement I'm going to like by just kind of playing around with it. I'm not gluing anything down at this time, I'm just sticking them on and seeing how I like it. You'll notice that I left the plastic on, and at least for me, I don't like cutting the plastic off and touching the sort of grainy texture that I feel from these floral foams. And also because I know too that if you put hot glue directly on it, it'll melt it anyways. So it's sort of an extra protection, at least in my eyes. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I personally don't take the plastic off. So I'm just pushing the florals into the plastic and the floral foam. And it works just fine that way. So I keep playing around with it until I get an arrangement that I really like. So I didn't use any red for this project because I felt that red was a little bit strong, and personally I wanted to see a Valentine's Day home decor piece without red myself, and I wanted it to match the wreath I made. So I decided to choose my personal favorite colors combinations of purple, lavender, pink, and you'll later see fuchsia. Then once I'm satisfied with the arrangement, I go ahead and pull them all off and just start hot gluing them all in. So out of curiosity, how many of you are actually looking forward to Valentine's Day, and are you celebrating it with your significant other, or are you doing a Galentine's Day with your friends, your closest friends? I haven't celebrated a Galentine's Day in forever, so I'm just really curious to know where everyone else stands. Let me know in the comments below. So here along the sides, I'm going ahead and just covering it up with the remaining leaves. I'm trying to use up as much of the leaves that came off of these stems so that none of it goes to waste. Although granted, the rest of it will probably end up in the DIY centerpiece made of Dollar Tree photo frames. I like repurposing it for each season so that it can be used as a display piece. So for this project, I'm trying to keep the colors in some kind of a pattern, and I realized I needed a third pink flower to be along the sides, and I only had two, so rather than buying a whole other set of pink flowers, I take the two remaining and just take them apart, and the outer pieces I create a new one by itself so that I have three pink flowers to put along the sides. I also repurpose some of the green, I'm going to call them connector pieces, to put in between the holes of the flowers to keep them together, as well as hot glue. And then I place them where I want them to be. And to make sure that they don't fall apart even with being taken apart, I go ahead and add extra hot glue to secure them into place. The goal I have with this project is to make sure that there are no visible signs of this base being a green floral foam. So here with the baby's breath, they are connected three pieces to make one big piece, or small piece if you want to call it that instead. I go ahead and cut those apart to make three separate pieces because I want them more further dispersed rather than stuck in one spot. So I go ahead and cut them off, and then when I place them in random places, and if I like it, I just go ahead and take it and glue it in. So with these white hearts from Dollar Tree, I go ahead and take one off, and I take the remaining leaves and glue that into the leaves, and then just place it at the top of the pink flower. I thought that looked cute, but in case I don't like it in the future, I just don't glue it in. Then I take the sort of fuchsia hearts ornaments and the last three that I have left from the wreath project and just go ahead and place them kind of randomly. Then lastly, I take out the original Winter Wonderland centerpiece out of the display box and place my Valentine's Day decor into the display box. I really like the way that this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.